Okay, this is the demonstration for dialing in a hole. The first thing I'm going to do, this is what it's going to be like when I first start. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to
whack it out.
You're on camera. I'm going to get the ball rolling on itself.
Yes, sir.
This ball right here. Talk to the camera. I'm going to get the ball rolling on itself, and I just play with it until I get it. I want it to look like it's just floating in space. That's pretty good. Next I bring the hole up to it. And I try to center it in Y, or in Z, I'm sorry. I'm trying to center it in X as best I can. Then I try to center it in Y as best I can. Next I'm going to push it up against, close to the wall, and I'm going to make a little gap in there. I'm only dealing with Y right now. Now I look at the opposite side of Y and I compare the size of that gap. I close it up as needed. I want them both to be even. A little closer there. That looks about even to me. I can't eyeball that any better. So now I look at X and I compare these two sides. That looks about even to me. I can't see the difference there. So now I go into the hole. I put about a 15 thou preload on this test indicator. Go ahead and zero it out on one side of Y and compare it to the other side of Y. I cut that distance in half with Y, so here I have 7, I have about 8, so I'm going to go to 4. That's my new 0. And I double check on the other side of Y. I still got a little bit to go. I got about we'll call that 2 thou, so I'm going to cut that in half toward the 0. That's my new 0. And I compare it to Y again. And what's going on there? I just keep cutting it in half until it's right. And now I do X. If you notice, X has the same error on both sides, and the halfway point between the total indicator travel is at the 0. And that's dialing in a hole.